Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2010 Chrysler Grand Voyager in metallic silver finish with the 17-inch of Chrysler alloy wheels. The vehicle's got a privacy glass, roof rails with 2 roof bars, reversing camera, which I'm gonna demonstrate it for you shortly once I get into the car, and it's got 2 electric sliding doors, so they can be opened by the key. Electric tailgate, split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. Got some controls for the seats as well. They are electric. And this is the limited edition, by the way. All 4 alloy wheels are in good condition. The bodywork is in fantastic condition, as I don't see any scratches or dents on the bodywork. And the front view of the vehicle has got front forks and a headlamp washers. Let's see the interior. So it's got kind of, I'm not sure what to call it, as it looks like full leather, but it's got some Alcantara on the top of the seats. It's a 7-seat, as you can see. It's got some cup holders on the sides, some storage departments in there, blinds on the rear windscreens. Very good size of a legroom. It's got picnic tables, rear multimedia, which, let me show it to you, it's got 2 screens. So it's got another over there. It comes with remote control. So I guess I have to start the vehicle to show you the screens in there before we get there. So it's got electric windows and folding mirrors, twin electric seats and a memory driver side. Same in here, it's got some Alcantara on the top. It got automatic transmission. A cup holder in the middle, both driver side and passenger side armrests. In there we have some storage department, 12-volt power outlets, DVES multimedia, where you plug in the DVD movies. So it's got satellite navigation, which is touchscreen, and that's the reversing camera. Uconnect Bluetooth connectivity.
Uconnect phone.
Cancel. And then it's got voice commands, as you can hear. In there it's got the auxiliary in. USB slot is on top of it. If you go to the menu, that's the audio control. So it's got hard drive, where you can store your musical DVD movies. It reads MP3s as well, JPEG files, like photos you can and then so there you can plug another DVD. It's got slot in there. Auto rear view dimming mirror. Cruise control AC in there. Let's see before we get that, it's got front heated seats and rear heated seats as well. I'm gonna show them for you shortly. It's got air conditioning with air door zone climate control, ESP traction control, and the Chrysler nice clock in there. So let me pick up the mat, don't get it dirty. Oh, there we go. So basically you can just play the movies from the hard drive if you wish. You can listen to the FM radio, the rear seats as well. And on the door, if I close the door, it's got blinds as well and rear heated seats as well. This was the video walk around of the 2010 Chrysler Gun Voyager. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.